Arise, my soul, arise. Shake off thy guilty sins. The bleeding sacrifice in my behalf appears. Before the throne my surety stands. Is written on his hands. My name is written on his hands. He ever lives above for me to intercede. His all-redeeming love, his precious blood to plead. His blood atoned for all our race, then sprinkles now the throne of grace, and sprinkles now the throne of grace. 5 bleeding wounds he bears, received on Calvary. They bore effectual prayers, they strongly plead for me. Forgive him, oh forgive, they cry, nor let that ransomed sinner die, nor let that ransomed sinner die. The Father hears him pray, his dear anointed one, he cannot turn away the presence of his Son. His Spirit answers to the blood and tells me I am born of God, and tells me I am born of God. My God is reconciled, his